or confirmation to the specification we are just checking. That is called the attribute data. Now once if you collect this data, whether it is form in the attribute data or variable data, now what to do with this data? These data need to be arranged in some particular fashion. That arranging is called as frequency distribution, because it is there is a large possibility that every measurement may occur for a multiple times, because you are taking a data throughout for each and every article, so it may occur in multiple times. So we will call it as a frequency. Suppose one data will found it 10 times, so 10 is nothing but the frequency of that data, because it appears in the 10 times. So what is that frequency distribution? How the distribution is done? So frequency distribution is a tabulation of data. Tabulation means it is in the form of tabular form. We will make a tabular form obtained from measurement, arranged in ascending or descending order according to the size, because data is need to be arranged ascending or descending according to the obtained. It may be attribute data, variable data or attribute data, any data. We'll arrange it. First of all, we'll arrange it. Now suppose, take an example here, that some diameters of a shafts are measured. Suppose this is 50.99. It appears one time. This is tabulation. It appears one time. So frequency is 1. Now I will add cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is nothing but the addition of the frequency. So cumulative frequency. Now here 50.98, it appears 2 times. So frequency is 2. Now cumulative frequency is 1 plus 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. Now here 50.97, it appears 4 times. So cumulative frequency is 7. Frequency, it appears 4 times. When I was measuring this shaft diameter, I found that 50.97 appears in the 4 times. So this is the frequency of that occurrences. Now 50.96 appears 3 times. So 7 plus 3, it is 10. Now cumulative frequency of this is 10. So this data can be arranged in another form, in many form also, but it must have some form. So that form is called as frequency distribution form. Now once you arrange this frequency distribution data, now what to do with this data also? When the distribution conforms to the normal curve, then 99.73% of all readings fall between the mean and the plus minus sigma. We have discussed all these in earlier also. If the products gives you the data which is conforming to your specification limits or the control limits, then it must fall within the 99.73% of the plus minus 3 sigma. It will never go out from the plus minus 3. That is normal distribution curve. Now what this frequency distribution gives? The frequency distribution is a practical method for analyzing the quality of production processes in terms of production specification limits. It analyzes the quality, whether you are producing the article